Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Mother's Wax is probably one of the most essential products for any car enthusiast looking to achieve that showroom shine and protect their vehicle's paintwork from the harsh elements, offering a deep gloss and durable protection that lasts, making it a go-to choice for both seasoned detailers and everyday drivers who want their car to look its absolute best. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit. Introducing the KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. This beginner-friendly kit makes at-home waxing simple and effective for everyone. Everything you need is included: 14 ounces of premium wax beads, easy-to-use applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Designed with you in mind, our formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable waxing experience without irritation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or trying waxing for the first time, this kit is perfect for both women and men. Get ready for smooth skin that lasts. Say goodbye to unwanted hair with confidence. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a flawless finish, every time. What we like. This is a complete waxing kit designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need for a smooth experience and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. If you're new to waxing or have sensitive skin, this kit offers a convenient and effective solution. What people say. This wax is easy to apply and remove, leaving a slick, glossy finish. It provides excellent protection against the elements, making water bead up and roll off. The durability of this wax is impressive, lasting for several months even with regular washing. Number 4. KoluaWax Hybrid Spray Wax Kit. Discover the advanced formula of our hybrid spray wax. It offers long-lasting protection and is incredibly easy to apply. Achieve a brilliant shine that endures with minimal effort. This wax is designed for convenience and superior results. Worry less about application. It's formulated to be safe and effective on all surfaces of your vehicle. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a flawless finish. Get ready to impress with your car's new look. Experience professional-level results with a simple spray and wipe. It's the perfect solution for a quick and durable shine. Upgrade your car care routine with this innovative spray wax. It provides exceptional gloss and protection that lasts. What we like. This hybrid spray wax offers advanced protection that lasts and is incredibly simple to apply. It's safe for all surfaces, making it a versatile choice for any vehicle. If you're looking for a durable shine with minimal effort, this is the product for you. What people say. This wax is incredibly easy to apply and remove, leaving a slick, glossy finish. It provides excellent protection against water spots and environmental contaminants, making washing easier. The durability is impressive, lasting for several weeks even with regular car washes. Number 3. KoluaWax Butter Wet Wax. Experience the ultimate shine with our revolutionary car wax. It's designed to give your vehicle a deep, wet gloss that stands out. No matter the paint color, this wax enhances its depth and brilliance. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like finish effortlessly. Applying it is a breeze. This liquid wax spreads smoothly and wipes off with minimal effort, saving you time and energy. Enjoy the process even more with its sweet, inviting banana scent. It makes waxing your car a more pleasant experience. Get ready for a deep, wet shine that truly transforms your car's appearance. It provides a level of gloss you have to see to believe. Its user-friendly formula ensures it goes on smoothly and comes off with ease. Achieve professional results without the hassle. What we like. Experience a deep, wet shine with this easily spreadable liquid wax. It wipes on and off effortlessly, leaving behind a beautiful gloss and a pleasant banana aroma. If you desire a show car finish and enjoy a great scent during your detailing process, this wax is an excellent choice. What people say. This wax is amazing, it leaves a deep, dark, and glossy shine that is unbelievable. It's very easy to apply and remove, even in direct sunlight. The wax lasts for a long time, providing excellent protection against the elements. Number 2. Mother's California Gold Brazilian Carnauba Cleaner Wax. Introducing a revolutionary cleaner wax that cleans and waxes your car in a single, easy step. Achieve a brilliant shine and lasting protection with minimal effort. Tired of oxidation and swirl marks? This powerful formula effectively removes these imperfections, restoring your vehicle's paintwork to its former glory. Experience the unmatched luster of premium Brazilian Carnauba wax. It delivers a deep, rich shine that truly stands out. Beyond the shine, it provides robust protection for all paint finishes. Keep your car looking its best, longer. Whether you have a classic car or a modern vehicle, this wax is safe and effective on all paint types. Get professional results at home. What we like. This cleaner wax performs 2 essential tasks in one step, cleaning and waxing. It effectively removes oxidation and swirl marks, revealing a premium Carnauba shine and protection. If you want to restore your paint's finish and add a brilliant shine with a single product, this is the ideal option. What people say. This wax is a game changer for car detailing, providing a deep, glossy shine that lasts for weeks. Easy to apply and remove, it leaves a slick, hydrophobic surface that repels water and dirt effectively. The synthetic formula offers excellent UV protection, preventing paint fading and oxidation from sun exposure. Number 1. Mother's California Gold Super Hydro Spray Wax. Experience incredible water beading and a superior shine that makes your vehicle look freshly waxed. It instantly enhances gloss for that just detailed appearance. This product safely removes light dust and smudges while adding a brilliant shine and protective layer. Achieve a clean, glossy, and protected finish in a single step. Use it on a wet car to speed up drying time, minimize water spots, and enhance gloss. It works effectively even when applied to a dry surface. It's the perfect way to refresh the protection and appearance of your existing wax, sealant, or coating. Keep your vehicle looking its best between full detailing sessions. Achieve a high-gloss finish with minimal effort. Simply spray it on, wipe it off, and buff for a stunning result. This is perfect for quick touch-ups on exterior surfaces that are frequently touched. Keep those areas looking pristine with ease. What we like. Achieve instant brilliance and incredible water beading with this fast spray wax. It cleans, shines, and protects in one step, and can be used on a wet or dry surface as a drying aid. If you're looking for a quick way to boost your existing protection or want a stunning finish after washing, this is the perfect maintenance topper. What people say. This wax is very easy to apply and remove. It leaves a deep, glossy shine that lasts for weeks. The wax provides excellent protection against the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.